Welcome back, guys. I am coming to you live from CES 2020. Now, I'm overlaying all of the sound that I recorded at the convention because it was super loud and you don't want to hear a bunch of background noise. So let's get started. I initially had a rep show me demos of these cameras and she went over all of the details. But let me tell you more about the cameras myself. Now, they released three editions of a camera plus an accessory edition. Now, the three editions are Twin Edition, 1 inch edition, and the 4K edition. And the accessory edition is the aerial edition for the Mavic Pro or the Mavic 2. Now, on the left side of the cameras, you got the Twin Edition, and the right one is the 4K edition. I did not get a chance to take a look at the 1 inch edition, but it's pretty much similar, just a circular lens. Now this is the aerial edition. What is aerial edition? Well, Insta360 went ahead and they made a 3D printed um, accessories that go around your Mavic to hold the Insta360 1R. And what it does is you place the accessories on top and bottom. So now you cannot even see the drone. So it looks like the camera is flying by itself. Now I cannot even explain how cool that would look. I have to buy this and go do a video and show you guys how that looks. So let me go over a couple things one more time. This is just a spreadsheet that shows you differences between the editions of cameras, and the big difference between 1 inch and 4K edition is of course the sensor. With 1 inch sensor you're getting much better low light video. Now this in my hands is the 4K edition, and so you guys see it's very easy to take apart. It's like a Lego of cameras. You just pull, push, twist, and you're done. What is the difference between the 4K edition and the Twin Edition? Well, Twin Edition, you could mount two cameras next to each other to produce a sort of spherical, I forgot the technical name, but it produces cooler, like 360-degree type of video with better resolution. And that's it right there. That's a Twin Edition, just without a second camera, which I'll show you in a bit. Let me give you guys a closer look at the aerial edition with Mavic Pro. And the 3D printed accessories they feel good. They feel really good in my hands. And you could just choose how you want to mount everything. And I guess everything connects Bluetooth with each other. So that's really unique and cool. I think this wins 2020 most innovative type of tech for me, because this is first of its kind, first of a kind of modular type of camera made by anyone. And here is the Twin Edition. Like I was telling you, you could mount two cameras side by side to produce better 360 videos, which, I mean, you gotta witness for yourself. And since I do unboxings in this channel, I was able to get a hold of the box. And this is pretty cool how they packed it. Really nice presentation, in my opinion. So tell me, guys, are you going to be buying this camera? Are you going to invest into this? Because it is like $549. So leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think are your first thoughts of this camera. Now you could also buy a GPS smart remote. So when you're driving or something, I guess the Insta360 could somehow track your movements, or when you're walking around. And then you could also control it on your Apple Watch. And then one thing I was not expecting is AirPods connection and the module for an external mic. That is very, very innovative. Good job, Insta360. Honestly, hands down. Now, quick little specs: HDR photo, you got the external mic adapter, 1-inch sensor, voice control, 19 megapixel flow state stabilization, 4K at 60. And then the lens for the 1-inch edition is co-engineered with Leica. Wow, they are really famous in lenses, uh, making lenses. And this is the prices for different editions: the 1-inch edition, the 4K edition, aerial edition, and then the regular edition. So it's the same camera, just different types of modifications. But thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you like this. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe, because I will be bringing you more first looks of CES 2020. So stay tuned, and I'll see you very soon.